Sydney, a vibrant city known for its stunning scenery, rich history and diverse culture. Located on the southeast coast of Australia, Sydney offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. For tourists planning a visit to Sydney, drone footage can serve as a valuable tool for exploring the city. An overview showing different areas of Sydney from an aerial view can help travelers get a better idea of what to expect during their visit. Sydney's cityscape is dominated by architectural landmarks such as the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. These iconic structures not only serve as symbols of the city but also offer spectacular views. The picturesque harbour with its vibrant life adds to the charm of this cosmopolitan metropolis. Sydney's tourism industry thrives on its rich cultural heritage and world-class attractions. From visiting world-renowned museums and art galleries to culinary experiences offering a variety of cuisines, there is something for everyone in this vibrant city. For nature lovers, Sydney offers plenty of outdoor recreational opportunities. Bondi Beach is famous for its golden sand and excellent surfing conditions, while the Royal Botanic Gardens are an oasis of calm in the heart of the city. Travelers who have visited Sydney often rave about the friendly locals, who warmly greet visitors with their laid-back attitude and genuine hospitality. The city's efficient transportation system makes it easy to move around and explore the different neighbourhoods, each with its own unique character. To summarise, Sydney is a charming place where everyone has something for everyone, from stunning scenery to cultural experiences. Whether you are a nature lover or looking for urban adventure, this cosmopolitan city promises an unforgettable travel experience.